I've been getting many comments in my YouTube channel from Muslim brothers that Vedas have been corrupted and Vedas are partially lost, etc. over a period of time. And I also got a comment from a YouTube channel viewer that Zakir Naik in Malaysia is spreading this information virally that Vedas are corrupted, and almost all the Hindus in Malaysia are convinced that Vedas are corrupted, and many of the Hindus have taken conversion to Islam religion. So this short video is to throw some light on Vedas. Basically, I don't want to speak on Quran, but I will speak on Vedas. Basically, if God had given the knowledge of Vedas in the form of books, naturally human beings would be able to corrupt the book or would be able to destroy the book. But Vedas are not textbooks. Vedas originates inside the heart of four rishis, four human beings at the start of universe creation, and this process is eternal. And also my Guruji, my Acharya Ji, Swami Ram Swarup Yogacharya, he always says that Vedas are still originated in the heart of a yogi, and also the proof of this is mentioned in Kapil Muni's Sankhya Shastra, Sutra 5/48 to 5/51, and also Atharvaveda Mantra 4/30/3, wherein it is very clearly stated that the mantras are now also originated in the heart of a Ashtanga yogi. But the books which have been written by various Rishi Munis over a period of time, like example Manusmriti or Mahabharata or Ramayana or other textbooks, these could have been corrupted, and these in fact are corrupted. I have mentioned in my previous videos, for example, Manusmriti has got more than 1400 false shlokas. We were under the control of various rulers in the last 2500 years, and many people have tried to destroy India. The only way to destroy India, they understood very cleverly, that to destroy our Vedic culture. So to destroy our Vedic culture, they added false shlokas in the textbooks, but they could not do anything on the Vedas, because Vedas are not number one books. And even the printed version of Vedas, they could not do anything, because the Sanskrit of Vedas are divine Sanskrit, and no human can touch the Ved mantras. That is the reason Vedas, even in the textbook forms, are not corrupted. Interpretation, yeah, many people like Max Muller, he learned Sanskrit and then he interpreted Ved mantras wrongly. But interpretation, we still have many textbooks written by great Rishi Munis, which gives the clear meaning of those Ved mantras which have been wrongly interpreted by these selfish scholars. And thanks to the great work done by Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati and also some of the Arya Samajists who were learned Vedic scholars, they exposed all the corrupt insertions in our texts, and then all the books have been recovered now. In fact, most of the we know which are the shlokas which are falsely added at what point of time, for example in Manusmriti, in Mahabharata, etc. So my answer to the Muslim brothers and especially Zakir Naik is, Vedas can never get corrupted because these are not books. Yes, the books of other religions, including the Hinduism, which are written by human beings and Rishi Munis, books such as, let's say, Manusmriti or Mahabharata or Ramayana or Puran or Quran or Bible, all these books will get destroyed in the final destruction of this universe, because these were created by somebody. Anything which gets created will get destroyed, but that one which is not created and that which emanates from Almighty God will ever remain eternal and will ever remain uncorrupt. And the Vedas knowledge will again originate in the next universe when God makes the universe, and He will originate this into the heart of the four rishis. I hope you would have understood in this small video the concept of Vedas could not be corrupted, Vedas could not be lost. I request you to spread this video to as many people as possible, as well as subscribe my channel. I will meet you soon in another video. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.